Akil for making preparation bit easier. So whatever we have done yesterday in Power Queries, we will try to do the same task by using Tableau Prep today. So that's the agenda of today's session. So let's move on to the first challenge, which is shown in the screen. So we have name, address, and age and gender. So this is how the input data looks like, and we want the output in this way, like name, unknown address, age, and gender. So before moving into Tableau, we will try to understand how to get this, taking a string and using some of the functions from Tableau. So I took this sentence: the sun rises in the east. So here we will try how to extract the rises word from this string. So to use this, what's the logic behind this is, first we should be able to get the position where the sun is and where being is. Using these two positions and length of string, we will be able to manipulate and get the word rises in the string. So quickly we will see which are functions to be used. First, let me create a calculator to find the position of sun. Yeah, that's the text. I would like to So now we got the position sun and in. Now I have to just able to pin the prices letter alone. To do that, we will just use the mid function, which is there in tab. So as usual, the input string, which is here, and start. Where I would like to start is from the position sun position plus length of sun. For example, currently it's showing like 5 as position of sun, but I would like to start from 8th position. So what I will do is I will just add length of the sun to the sun position. So what happens is now the starting position will move from to 8. That's the catch here. So sun goes plus 3. That's the starting position. And for next we have to mention the length. So length is nothing but the in position. That's the start. That will give us the total length of the sunrises. With that, we have to subtract the sun position to plus 3. So for example, assume we get 15th position. So now what we have to do is 15 minus position of sun is plus 3. So it's nothing but the starting of rises. So this how we will give the length. So in goes minus starting position of rises, which is nothing but sun. Rises. To make it more simple, if you are lazy to count what is the position, then you can directly use a function which returns the length of this also will serve our purpose. This is the catch and logic. So now we will just see how to implement this logic in prep and get the desired output. Let me open the Tableau Prep. I have the data file already. Let me add the clean step. So, we have to extract the name. We have to just find the name position and address position and implement the same sorry tab. So create calculated fee. Fine. Substitutes. We don't need to mention the starting. There is no need. So save. Now we got name position, and here if you press this arrow mark, you'll be able to make the changes to the unit. Copy the step and paste again. Now if we edit. Position. Now we will implement the same technique which we have done there to get the name. Calculate. Use the mid function. And starting is name position plus 4. The length of name is 4. Length should be address minus the starting on name. So now we got the name here. Quickly we have to repeat the same to address, age and gender. We'll just copy the step and paste again. After time, what we have is address, then we have age, then so already we got address. Now we get the so find name or substance. Copy the name, paste it. After name, get address underscore. As the piece of address is on, you will just add on to the position of address. Then after address, you have the calculated field date for this for address. Yeah. Of the edge. So get the address, name, address plus sound, age, position, minus. Then address version, the sound which is nothing but the starting point. This will give the length of the address. So now we got address as well. Next we got to get the age and gender. So same step we will just copy paste twice. So we'll be able to press now details. Age which as the age is 3, so plus 3. Then next we have the gender position. So gender position minus the age position plus 3, which is the start. So now we got the age for gender. Gender position plus 6. Six is the starting. We no need to mention the length. Yes. So we got the gender. So we will just now we have so many number of fields. Just will try to know the number of fields such as position, all those in the next step. So we will add a clean step to remove the fields. Just convert this to list view, and whichever fields you would like to remove, just if you the cross mark by default it will remove and at last name position. And also this name represents the original string which comes from raw data. We don't need that as well, so we will do this. At last we add outputs. We'll run it. We'll change the view to common. So this is the first outcome. Name we got, address, age, gender separately. So this is the first challenge I had for today. Any doubts? So we'll move on to the second one. The second one is also, we have seen this yesterday. For each order ID, we have categories separately, binders, arts, fast, and the amounts mentioned like this separately. So to get the desired output which is shown below. Now we will see like how to implement this in Tableau Prep. Okay. So let me connect the data set 3, which is the data set we will use. I will open the 38. I will quickly add a clean step. So the idea here is to split the category into 5 or 6, how many categories we have, and we'll split the amount as well. We will concatenate the category and the amount respectively. Then at last we will do a pivot. So this is the step we will follow to implement. So first let me split. Custom split. We'll just use the delimiter. Instead of all, not only first or last, we will just split into a number of pieces. So now we got the split 1, 2, 3. So similarly, we will split the amount as well. All. So currently now the amount is also split. Now what we will try to do is concatenate category split 1 and the amount split 1 with the delimiter. Then we will pivot this and edit. So after 2 splits, now we will add a concatenation step. So create calculated field. Let me here. category split one plus a delimiter. So this is the first field. Let me rename the similarly for the others as well. So again, to remove the split pieces, we'll convert it to list view. So we'll remove all the categories before. So for each we have only this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. We don't need even category and amount as well. And what we will do is with respect to order ID, we will pivot this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it kind of I will add this 1, 2, 3, 4 to the fields which to be pivoted. So at the pivot pass. I no need this pivot name, so now we have the pivot values and order ID. Now I will just split values, custom split, use the delimiter for all the fields. Go for a clean step. So now we have pivot values split 1 and 2. We don't need this pivot value, so we will do this. We'll rename this as category. Another one as price. Generate an output. Get the output. So now we have order ID, category, and price. This is the desired output. But you can see some nulls here. We will explode those nulls in the clean step here itself. Filter. Exclude these nulls. Now we don't have any nulls. So this is the desired output for the challenge group. Yes. Okay, quickly we'll move on to the third one. Here we have the rank, book category, book name, author, price, and ISBN code. For each type, we will try to make it desired as the expected one below. So for that, we have to use a pivot and a split. This is relatively easy compared to the earlier ones. Data. To view like how the data looks. We'll remove NAS. So now we have to just pivot step followed by a custom split. So pivot. So let me select all the book categories and drop it to pivot. Let me add a clean step. So now we got the pivoted results. We don't need these nulls, so we'll exclude those. And pivot will make us. And now we will split this pivot values into 5 or 6 based on the delimiters. So split values, custom split, delimiter, all of it. The author. ISP. Right. Here are but the split 5 and split 6, those values are not required, so we will go back to the view and remove those pivot 1 and split values 5 and 6. So now if we view the output, we'll convert the view from list to split view, so we'll be able to look at row level tab. This is the desired output for the third challenge. Any doubts? Okay. Thank you.